I'm Andy, the incorporation attorney. Thanks for watching. So you finally decided to form your professional dental corporation. One of the first things to prepare are the articles of incorporation. And of course, the articles of incorporation cannot be drafted until a name is chosen for your corporation. Now, if we were talking about a general stock corporation, the choice of name is up to you, as long as the name is not likely to mislead the public or to resemble too closely some other corporate name already on file with the state. The name selected generally may not include words such as bank, trust or trustee, industrial loan, investment and loan, thrift, or the words cooperative, Olympic, or Olympia. In general stock corporations, the name selected need not include words that indicate corporate designation such as Inc., Corp., or Limited, or other words indicating corporate status. However, special name style rules apply to the name chosen for professional corporations. The name requirements are regulated by the California Corporations Code, Business and Professions Code, the California Code of Regulations, and finally the state regulatory agency that issues the license for a particular profession. In the case of dentists, that is the Dental Board of California. All of these sources must be checked to make sure that the particular corporate name selected will satisfy the various requirements of the state codes and agency rules. I cannot tell you how many clients we run across that have been forced to redraft all of their corporate formation documents simply because they did not follow the name style rules of their particular profession. It's critical to note that most state regulatory agencies take the position that it is unprofessional conduct not to follow the particular name style rules for a profession. And unfortunately, it is not a defense to an accusation brought against you by the dental board to say, "I've seen other people do it." It's like if you were stopped by a highway patrol officer for speeding. It does not matter what the other people are doing when you're the person who's caught not following the rules. Remember, it's your professional license. So what are the name style rules for a professional dental corporation? The name of a dental corporation and any name or names under which it may be rendering professional services shall contain and be restricted to the name or the last name of one or more of the present, prospective, or former shareholders, and shall include the words dental corporation or wording or abbreviations denoting corporate existence. What if you want to do something different? Can you do that? The answer is yes, you can. When you want to use a fictitious, false, or assumed name, or any name other than the name or surname of one or more of the present, prospective, or former shareholders, or any other words or names in addition to those of the shareholders, you must obtain a fictitious name permit from the Dental Board of California. This is not the same as a fictitious name or a DBA that you would obtain from your local county government. I mentioned earlier that most professional boards find the use of a fictitious name without a valid permit to be unprofessional conduct. However, the dental board takes the name style rules to a whole nother level, and you really need to understand it. Here is the rule and here is the law. I'll read it to you. Any person is for the first offense guilty of a misdemeanor and shall be punishable by a fine of not less than $200, no more than $3,000, or by imprisonment in the county jail for not to exceed 6 months or both, and for the second offense or subsequent offense is guilty of a felony and shall, upon conviction thereof, be punishable by a fine of not less than $2,000, nor more than $6,000, or by imprisonment, or by both such fine and imprisonment, who, under false, assumed, or fictitious name, either as an individual, firm, corporation, or otherwise, or any name other than the name which he is licensed, practices, advertises, or in any other manner indicates that he is practicing or will practice dentistry, except such name as is specified in a valid permit issued by the dental board. So it's no joke with the dental board. So let's do a quick review. If only the name or surname, last name, of the dentist is used, followed by DDS, Incorporated, or its abbreviation Inc., Dental Corporation or Dental Corp., Professional Corporation or its abbreviation Prof Corp., Corporation or its abbreviation Corp., you do not need a fictitious name permit. Here's some examples. Fred Flintstone Dental Corporation or Fred Flintstone DDS Inc. would not require a fictitious name permit as long as Fred Flintstone matches the legal name on the dentist's license. In addition, a permit is not required for an individual practicing under his or her name with a practice area. For example, Dr. Fred Flintstone General Dentistry or Dr. Fred Flintstone Practice Limited to Orthodontics. Now here's a tip. A permit expires when the qualifying license expires and must be renewed every 2 years. Here's another tip. Permits are address specific and are subject to revocation if the practice changes locations or status, such as a change from individual owner to a corporation. Getting lost in the minutia of Namestyle rules for a professional corporation is just one of the 49 different ways that you can get tangled up on the formation of your professional corporation if you tackle it yourself. I would strongly urge you to retain the services of a corporate attorney specializing in the formation of professional corporations to make sure that you get this correct. I hope this information helps you get your new practice started off on the right foot. I'm Andy, the incorporation attorney. Thanks for watching.